In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce COD returns in WooCommerce. If you're running an online store, you already know that cash on delivery, or COD, is a popular payment option for your customers. However, it can bring its own set of challenges, like increased return rates, unfulfilled orders, and extra operational costs. That's why it's important to set up COD carefully and strategically to protect your business. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to configure the WooCommerce Smart COD plugin to reduce returns, manage risks, and optimize the COD process for your store. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is download and install the WooCommerce Smart COD plugin. Once it's installed, activate the plugin within your WooCommerce setup. This plugin is a powerful tool specifically designed to help you manage COD orders more efficiently by providing options like restrictions, extra fees, and even advanced payment requirements. Once activated, it integrates seamlessly with your WooCommerce store. Next, head over to your WooCommerce settings. To do this, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the WooCommerce section. Click on Settings, and this will bring you to the main configuration area for your store. From here, you'll be able to adjust all the necessary options to fine-tune your COD setup. Before diving into the advanced features, you need to make sure cash on delivery is enabled as a payment option. In the WooCommerce settings, go to the Payments tab. Here, you'll see a list of all payment methods available in your store. Locate the option for cash on delivery, enable it, and then click on Finish Setup. Once enabled, COD will be listed as an option for your customers at checkout. Now it's time to customize your COD settings to align with your store's needs. Within the COD payment settings, you can edit the title, description, and instructions that your customers see at checkout. For example, you might want to include a note about any additional fees or restrictions that apply to COD orders. Once you've made these changes, don't forget to save them by clicking on Save Changes. To reduce COD returns, setting up restrictions is key. Go to the Restrictions area in the Smart COD plugin. Here you can define specific PIN codes, zip codes, or shipping zones where COD is allowed. This is especially useful if there are regions where COD orders are less reliable. You can also set conditions like a minimum or maximum order amount for COD eligibility. For example, you might allow COD only for orders over $20 but under $500. Enable or disable these restrictions as needed, and when you're finished, save your changes. Adding extra fees for COD orders is another way to discourage unnecessary returns while covering the additional costs of offering this payment method. To do this, navigate to the Extra Fees section, create a new rule by giving it a name, such as COD Processing Fee, then specify the fee amount. You can choose whether the fee will be a fixed dollar amount or a percentage of the order total. Once the rule is set up, save it, and don't forget to save your changes. Another powerful feature of the Smart COD plugin is the ability to enable Risk-Free COD. This option allows you to require an advance payment for COD orders, which can significantly reduce the likelihood of returns. To set this up, go to the Risk-Free COD section and enable the option. Then create a rule specifying the advance payment amount. Like with extra fees, you can choose whether this amount is a fixed fee or a percentage of the order total. Once you're happy with the rule, save it and finalize your changes. Finally, it's important to test your configuration to make sure everything is working as expected. Place a test order on your site using COD as the payment option. Check to see if the restrictions, extra fees, and advanced payment requirements are applied correctly. This step ensures that your customers will have a smooth experience while the system works to protect your store from unnecessary COD returns. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a well-optimized COD setup in your WooCommerce store that reduces returns, minimizes risks, and helps you manage COD orders more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.